Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about few information functions. We have these functions. Let us start from ISNUMBER. ISNUMBER checks whether it is a number or not. If it is number, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Similarly, ISEVEN functions checks if the number is even. If it is even, it returns true. Otherwise, false. And ISODD function, it checks if number is odd. If it is odd, it returns true, otherwise it is false. ISTEXT function, it checks whether a column or values which are present is text. If it is text, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. ISNONTEXT function, it checks whether value is not text or not. If it is not text, it returns true. If it is text, if it returns false. Please remember that an empty string is also considered as text. IsLogical function, it checks whether a value is logical value, either it is true or false, either of the boolean values if they are present, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. These functions are not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us move on to the data view and see how we could check those values in calculated columns. Here I have my sales table. Okay, let us start from the ISNUMBER function. I am creating a new column. Here I'll write ISNUMBER check equal to ISNUMBER. Here I'll take the sales amount column. I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that since amount column is a number, you could see true in all the conditions. If you input any textual column, it would return as false. I'll create a new column. Let us check the values which are present in the amount column whether they are even or not. I'll write is even check equal to is even. I'll input the same amount column and close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that in the amount column, wherever there are true values, you could see that in the amount column there are even values. IsEven function, it checks whether the number is even in the column or not. It returns true wherever the number is even. Similarly, let us make a new column and check if the number is odd. I am making a new column. I'll write is odd check is odd function. I'll take the amount column. I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that in the amount column, wherever we have odd numbers, our is odd check column is returning true condition. If it is even value, it is returning as false. I'll make a new column. Let us check the country values whether it is text or not. Okay, I'll write is text check equal to is text. I'll take the input of country column, sales country, and I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. ISTEXT function, it results as true condition if the column consists of text values. Since country column has all the text values, our output is true. Let us move on to the function which is not text. Okay, here if I apply the same country column to is not text, it will result as in false because it is textual column. Is not text, non-text. I'll write sales country column, close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could see that we get the output false condition because country column is all text and it checks whether it is not text or not. I'll make a new column. Here we'll see the function which is logical. IsLogical returns true condition if the values which are present in the column are either true or false. For both the values, IsLogical function, it will return as true condition. I'll write IsLogical check equal to IsLogical. We can take any column which we have created. I'll take is number check. I'll close and hit the enter. Here we could see that we get the only true condition, because both the true and false values, even if they are present, our logical function is logical function, it checks whether boolean values are present or not. If there is no such boolean values, both either true or false, then it would like return us blank or error. This is all about these functions. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.